Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge kits for your 79 through 86 Ford Fox Body Mustang. Fox Body Mustang kits come in two different styles depending on which year you've got. Depending on the style of the gauge kit you choose, there's going to be options for different gauge options. As you can see here, this is our Performance 2 series, which has got a really nice European style look to the gauge, but offers the performance and style that you deserve. When we look at the CFR Red kit here, this is one of the most exotic gauge styles on the market, only from New Vintage USA. One of the great things about New Vintage is our wiring system. This is our patent pending direct drive wiring. Simply wire up the two harnesses and our jumper wires complete the rest of the wiring, saving you up to 75% against traditional gauge wiring. New Vintage USA is designed to fit the factory location, upgrading the style and function of your dash. Available Fox Body kits bolt right in and offer the flexibility of positioning the gauges how you see fit and full adjustability for a perfect fit. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern engines like OE and aftermarket PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that fits for you. Bold graphics and LED lighting make gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something special for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on OE, military, and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer, performance timers, and even sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that puts performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring time by 75%, saving time and dramatically decreasing installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available, even novice builder can have professional results that look just as good from the back as they do from the front. Simple things even further using our Snap Adapt plug and play harness for even easier installation by plugging directly into the OE harness. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look nowhere else. New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.